After the Revolutionary War, the United States became an independent country with the right to make treaties with other countries. But what if a treaty conflicted with an existing state law? In Ware v. Hylton, also known as the British Debt Case, the Supreme Court looked to the Supremacy Clause of the Constitution to determine whether international treaties are superior to state laws. Prior to the Revolutionary War, Hylton and Company borrowed money from William Jones. Both Jones and Hylton were British subjects when Hylton incurred his debt, but Hylton later became a Virginia resident after the war. In 1777, Virginia passed a law that held that all Virginia residents could pay debts that were owed to British subjects to the Virginia treasury at a reduced rate. The state of Virginia would then discharge the Virginia residents' debt. As part of the state law, Virginia would later pay the British creditors. Hylton paid his debt to the Virginia treasury, and the state discharged his debt in 1780. In 1783, Great Britain and the United States ratified the Treaty of Paris. This treaty ended the Revolutionary War and officially recognized the United States as an independent nation. The Treaty of Paris specifically held that creditors from both Great Britain and the United States could recover debts and that, quote, no lawful impediment, unquote, should prevent debt collection. Jones died before the treaty was ratified, but Ware, the administrator of his estate, sued Hylton in Virginia Circuit Court to recover the debt. Ware argued that, in accordance with the Treaty of Paris, Hylton needed to pay his total debt directly to Jones's estate. Hylton argued that he already paid his debt to the Virginia Treasury, so his debt was discharged under Virginia law. The Circuit Court held that a creditor couldn't use the Treaty of Paris to recover a debt that was discharged under state law. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.